Hi. I wanted to share this app that I've been building. It's a tool for community builders to manage their WhatsApp communities or groups. I have one called Curious where people share events and cultural activities that they have gone to that were really great or want to go to. And there's quite a good amount of activity. There's like 200 members. And I've been creating weekly summaries. Um, and it's been quite a bit of work and a little bit of annoying to have to do that. So I thought, there has to be a better way to do this. So I started working with Claude Code to build an app. And this app uses Python and Flask and a front end framework. Um, and all of this is basically out of the box. I haven't really thought about the design, and I think there's lots of ways to improve the UX and the look and feel. But for me, this was really a prototyping experience to figure out, is this actually possible? Can I build an MVP of this tool? And amazingly, I did. And I wanted to give you a quick rundown of what it does and how it works. Um, there is a settings section that allows you to set some parameters for where the data comes from and an LLM to use in the actions. There is a message overview that pulls from the groups you select. I basically built this to make sure it works and show me the data that it's pulling from. There's a members section that shows all the members in the specific groups and their phone numbers. Hence, I'm not showing it here, but this populates the center column over here. There's a group section that gives you some data of the groups you're interested in. You can select which ones, so the curious ones are of interest to me. And basically, these are all there for me to be able to look at the data and see what's happening. But the really interesting part is this action section. Originally, I wanted to build a WhatsApp summarizer to do exactly that, summarize the weekly conversations that were happening in Curious. But I realized, it could do a couple of other things that would be really interesting. For example, summarize conversations or translate conversations if you're in a different foreign country and you're in a group that's where people maybe mix languages or speak a different language. You can actually still understand what's going on in there, and there might be a number of other actions that will add in the future. So here's a summarizer. You can pick the groups that you're interested in the time frame, and once you do that and you hit generate, it will crunch the conversations from those groups and output them. So this is from these two groups. There's two conversations, and it created a nice little summary. So it made it a lot easier to figure out what's happening if you do this, even if you're not managing them, but you just have a number of groups that you're a part of, and you're a little bit behind. This is a really easy way to catch up on what's happening and get a sense of what the conversations were in the group. If you think this is cool, you have more questions, you want to see more, let me know in the comments. And if you want to use this, I'd be happy to share this. Just let me know. Thanks. Bye.